And then final headline here, Max, we're talking about the, standing on the ledge, committing suicide. So China looks at all of this, right? They see that Timothy Geithner, the Treasury Secretary, comes to them and tries to ask them to commit economic suicide. China continues to buy gold in preparation of the end of the global dollar-based ecosystem. So mainland China gold imports from Hong Kong surged to 102,779 ounces from 86,000 in October. This is a 20% increase from the already high number seen in October and a 483% year-on-year increase. So they're getting ready for, they know what happens when somebody jumps without a net.
That's my agenda. Buy more gold. China, join me. All you other countries, join me. Buy gold. That's my agenda.